Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Nugget 5. 0 is updated and charged. This reduces hiccups. Next, open settings and allow permissions for photos and motion. They let live wallpapers animate correctly. Once done, pick a source, a trusted live wallpaper app or a live photo you already have. You should prepare 10-15 seconds of motion. Shorter clips are smoother. Now open Photos or the app and locate the clip you want to assign as wallpaper. You convert a short video to a live photo using the app's export or the iOS shortcut. Keep it between 3 and 15 seconds so the system handles it well. Then crop to a portrait ratio to avoid unexpected zoom. Matching the lock screen aspect gives a cleaner result. After that, open Settings Wallpaper, choose the live photo, and adjust motion and perspective. Make sure to preview the press and hold animation so you can tweak timing or crop before finalizing. You finish by tapping Set, choose lock screen or both, and then press and hold to confirm the live effect. If the animation stutters, re-export the source at a lower bitrate or shorter duration, then reapply. Excessive file size causes dropped frames. If nothing animates, make sure low power mode is off and motion settings are enabled, then restart your Nugget 5. 0. One quick troubleshooting tip. Toggle live photo permissions in settings to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.